In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll go from a clean editor install to an AI-powered workflow, connect everything properly, and finish by running both backend and front-end code. Keep your editor open and follow along. Start by installing Visual Studio Code from the official website, then open it once the installer finishes. This ensures VS Code registers its command line tools and extensions correctly. Next, install the Claude Code command line interface. On Linux or macOS, use the official one-line installer provided on the Claude site. On Windows, run the PowerShell installer command from that same page. When it finishes, confirm everything worked by opening a terminal and running Claude space -- version. If you see a version number, you're good to go. In VS Code, open the extensions view with Ctrl-Shift-X on Windows or Linux, or Command-Shift-X on macOS. Search for Cursor AI, click Install, and let VS Code reload if prompted. This adds the AI coding features right inside your editor. Now connect Cursor to Claude Code. Open the Cursor sidebar, head to Settings, then Model, and choose Claude Code as the AI backend. Authenticate securely with your account and save the connection. Avoid sharing any credentials on screen. Once connected, Cursor will route requests through Claude Code, create a workspace folder for your work. You can make a new directory, change into it, and open it with code. From your terminal. Organize files into folders early. Group components, services, and tests, so AI context and navigation stay clear on larger projects. Optionally, initialize MCP7 to enable project-wide memory. In your terminal, run the initialization with context set to 7, then load your project path. This helps Claude Code remember and reference all files across your app, which is especially useful as your codebase grows. You're ready for vibe coding. Open any file, press the command palette with Command or Control-Shift-P, and choose Cursor. Ask AI. Try a prompt like, generate a React login page with Tailwind CSS, email and password validation, and animated buttons. Claude Code will write directly into your file, step by step.